Did you update your iPhone to iOS 26.6 and now apps like Instagram, WhatsApp, TikTok, or your banking apps won't open? Maybe the app crashes immediately, freezes on the loading screen, or sends you back to the home screen. Don't worry, you're not alone. Many iPhone users, including iPhone 16 Pro, iPhone 17 Pro Max, and even iPhone 16 Pro Max users have reported the same issue after updating to iOS 26.6. Let's go through some fixes. Solution 1. Wait a few minutes after the update. After installing a major iOS update, your iPhone may still be optimizing apps and files in the background. For example, one user updated their iPhone 11 Pro Max to iOS 26.6 and found that all third-party apps stopped working. However, after waiting about 5 minutes, everything started working normally again. So if you just updated, give your iPhone some time. Solution 2. Delete and reinstall one app. Here's a strange fix that worked for many people. Let's say Instagram isn't opening. Press and hold the Instagram icon and tap Remove App. Next, open the App Store and reinstall the app. Some users reported that reinstalling just one app fixed all of the other apps on their iPhone. Solution 3. Restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can help. Press and hold the side button and either volume button, then slide to power off your iPhone. Wait for 30 seconds and turn it back on. Now check whether your apps are working. Solution 4. Check your storage. Go to Settings, then General, and tap iPhone Storage. If your storage is almost full, iOS may have trouble opening apps properly. Delete unnecessary files or offload apps that you don't use. Solution 5. Update your apps. Open the App Store, tap your profile picture in the top right corner, and install all available updates. Some developers release compatibility updates after a new iOS version is released. Solution 6. Reset all settings. If nothing works, go to Settings, then General, transfer or reset iPhone, and tap Reset All Settings. This won't delete your photos or videos, but it will reset Wi-Fi, keyboard, and system settings. In the end, if you've already tried reinstalling apps, restarting your iPhone, and resetting settings, but the problem keeps coming back, the issue may be related to iOS 26.6 itself. You can roll back iOS 26.6 to 26.5.2 if Apple Sign-in available. Apple will likely release a software update to fix the bug. Before you leave, let me know in the comments, which iPhone model are you using, and are all apps affected or only certain apps? If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and fixes.